Hi, I'm Alyssa Beeler, and today I'm going to be talking about the reason why I am taking Psych 112 and why I want to get my degree in psychology. So this is a picture of me when I was on my mission and we were doing service for this lady that had a lot of animals. I went to the Texas Lubbock mission. So the reason why I want to be go into psychology is to become a high school counselor. So for this degree, I need to have my bachelor's degree in either psychology or something that's kind of similarly related to that can really be focused on helping people and related to especially helping students, since that's who I'll be working mainly with. I also need to get my master's degree as well in school counseling or social work. Both of them are very important, especially in the high school counseling industry, because I'll be working with students. So for the high school counselor job description, some of the things that I will be required to do and to help with are helping students to make plans to be successful in high school and beyond, being their cheerleader and their coach, scheduling out classes so that students will have the classes that they need to graduate, to be a good listener so that they can feel that connection and that love with somebody, to do the best to help students with their social, intellectual, and emotional needs. And I think especially social, well, all of them are super important, but especially emotional, as there's a lot of things that happen in high school that students need help with, and they need somebody that they can trust and somebody that's going to listen and help them. I'm also going to need to stay organized and to help the teachers, the students, and the principal to all understand each other's needs. So, schooling now and where I want to be. So, right now, I just barely finished my generals, and I've been going to school. This is my 4th semester of being up here at BYUI. So right now I'm focusing on psychology classes, and I'm trying to follow the BYU Idaho graduation plan and getting as close to being done in the four years so that I can go on to grad school and get my master's degree. So I am majoring in psychology because this is what I have a passion for. I love understanding why people do the things they do and act in the ways that they act and think the way that they think. To be able to know what I can do to help people and to help them to feel loved and to understand the reasons that people are the way that they are. Because everybody thinks and acts differently, so we just need to understand where they're coming from and their views. So, for some comparisons in Chapter 13. So, in the book it says, some of them are, I have a strong interest in the subject of psychology, which is true. I want to find myself out, or figure myself out, that's also true. And a bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job, that's also true. So, these are the ones that I came up with for why I want to be a psychology major. I love learning about the way that humans think. I love learning the reasons people do the things they do. And I want to continue to connect better and cultivate stronger relationships with people, as I've totally noticed that relationships are really key during this life, and they really help us to find success. I hope you enjoyed watching this slideshow today, and have a good one.